To be a better quarterback, you break down game film. So, to help dads this back-to-school season, we're breaking down dad film. See here, Dad's working on the all-important mental game. Whoa! Now that face is ready for the big time. Now this is a dad who knows the value of nutrition.
Thank you so much, Mom. I love you. Bye.
Hey.
You see that? Let's bring that back.
Hey. Really?
Dad, please.
Oh.
That's championship level defense right there. Of course, when we're talking back to school, it's all about having a fresh haircut and feeling great. But you got this. Just take them to Great Clips, where their experienced stylist will give you a great haircut every time. And with the Great Clips app, it's easy to check in online and have the kids looking great for back to school.
You know, after haircuts, Mom takes us out for ice cream?
Yeah, she told me something about that.
Really?
Nah.